Grab.
Sandwich stuff. Just like mayonnaise, bread, turkey, cheese. That's honestly all, and some chips, maybe.
Okay, that's all?
That's it? Yeah.
Okay. It might take me a while because it's Costco.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Thank you. Oh my gosh, she's coming back. Okay, thank God.
I forgot my purse. I'm sorry.
Baby.
What? What?
Oh my God. I'm sorry, honey, but that like hurt me on the inside. You just slammed the door so hard. And I like... Oh, I'm sorry, but it's just like... I love you so much, but can you please not do that again?
Yeah,
just
sorry.
be more calm with it in the
Sorry.
future. No, it's okay. I'm not mad. I love you. I just wanted to tell you. Okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. No. I love you.
What'd you say you want?
Chips.
Psycho! Psycho!
What drink did you say you want?
Coke, please.
Coke.
Why are you slamming the door? You're slamming the door.
Oh.
You slammed the door.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
This girl.
Slamming the car door prank on him.
Oh shit, wait a minute, I gotta go get my keys. Hold on.
Grab them.
Alright.
Grab them, babe.
Yeah.
Yo, have you lost your fucking mind?
Huh? What's wrong? I forgot my keys.
Yeah, and you just slammed the door like we're in a fucking 94. Like
Oh shit, wait a minute, babe. Let me get my... Hold on a second. I need my protein bar too.
Babe, slam the door again like this is a fucking 84 Corolla and I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Alright, I'm ready to go. Oh, what?
Babe, slam that fucking door. I'm leaving you here.
What? I didn't slam the door. It's a TikTok. Babe.
Fucking dickhead.
Slamming door prank on my boyfriend.
The blue one. What the fuck was that?
Wait, you sure you don't want Powerade?
Just give me the Gatorade. What the fuck is she doing? What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Slamming the fucking... What the fuck are you doing? You're fucking slamming the whole fucking thing.
At least it's not my car. You know you're slamming your own car door.
Sorry?
You know you're slamming your own car door. It's not my car.
It's not my... I didn't slam the door.
Oh, okay. Try a bit harder.
Sorry?
Try a bit harder. I think you can do harder. You're getting there. Flick the shoulders, a bit more oomph.
Babe, so do you want the bowl or the burrito?
The
bowl?
obviously.
Alright, I'll be right back. Oh wait, babe,
Damn,
the wallet.
nigga, you gonna
the
slam
wallet.
my motherfucking door,
What?
dude?
I just need the wallet.
It's in the whole motherfucking door. Bro. Stop
Babe.
playing with me, bro. Stop slamming my motherfucking door.
didn't
I'm
do
finna beat your ass
nothing.
next time you do that shit.
Oh my god,
for
then
real.
you come and get the bowl.
Alright, now I'm gonna fuck you up.
Okay.
Bye.
What am I supposed to be doing?
You suck.
What? You said sit right there.
Slamming my boyfriend's car door to see his reaction.
Because it didn't make sense to just leave it. What you mean? You mad?
Wait, babe, I forgot to ask. Did you want to get ready too?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Alright.
Yo! No. Stop. Bro, seriously.
Yo,
Baby.
what's wrong? Why'd you hit the door? That
What'd
was
you-
loud.
Why'd you close it so hard?
That was really loud.
Baby, I love you.
What did I do? I closed it hard?
Yes.
I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry.
I love you. Be careful. Okay?
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Bye.
Are you sure you don't want Gatorade?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yo!
Okay, I forget which picture. Which one?
The blue one with the Volcom sign?
Okay.
Thanks. Dude.
Did you change your mind?
Yeah, the red one.
Oh.
Hey!
What you want me to get?
My God, I need you to get my cell phone, girl.
Okay.
Hey! Why you slam my shit? Don't fucking slam my shit!
Okay.
Try that again.
Okay, where is that at again?
It's on the countertop. Don't slam that shit, dude.
Okay.
Try that again. You slam it again. I promise you, slam it again.
Why?
Don't.